Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our phonics lesson. Now today we are going to begin working on our phase 2 in our phonics. That means we're going to start taking the knowledge that we already know, our phonetic knowledge, and applying it to begin reading. But first, we're going to recap some of the sounds that we have learned. Can you tell me what this is a picture of? You're right, it is a snake. Can you say that? Snake. And then we're going to try moving with our hand now, weaving it back and forth. Snake. Snake. Ooh, can you think of some different words that have the s sound in it? Like sand, star, bus. You see what I did there? I found a s sound at the end of a word. Bus. Can you say that? Bus. Make sure you stretch out your sound. Ooh, what's another word we could do? We could do grass and stick. Well done, everyone. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to practice forming our s sounds. Now, I'm gonna write my s for snake first. Watch me. So I'm gonna slither down the snake, just like that. See how it's it looks like my snake picture? That's what we're trying to do. We're trying to slither down our snake. Now first, I'm going to do it this way. I'm going to slither down my snake. So I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to go down my snake. So now, slither down the snake. Slither down the snake. Now what I want you to do is take your writing finger and you're going to write it into the air first. So watch me first. I'm going to go slither down the snake. You try. Slither down the snake. You can try writing it into your hands. Slither down the snake. You can try writing it on your arm. Slither down the snake. You can write it on someone's back or in the carpet or on your floor. You can write it on the wall. Slither down the snake using just your writing finger. I don't think your parents would like you taking your pencil to the wall, would they? No. All right, boys and girls. I think we're ready to practice writing our s sounds on some paper or on a whiteboard if you've got one. Because if you don't have a whiteboard, you can always use some paper. Right, so remember how we hold our pencil. It doesn't matter if you've got a whiteboard pen or a pencil, you still need to hold it the same way. We need to have your fingers out like this, and you have your thumb, and you're going to place your pen with the tip by your fingers, and you're going to take your thumb and put it on top just to close it, and then you can rest your pen or pencil on your hand, and that way you've got your writing grip. And what we're going to do is practice writing our s sound. Slither down the snake. You try. Slither down the snake. Good job, everyone. Now you can do big ones or small ones, just practicing the shape. Slither down the snake. Slither down the snake. Practice writing it in lots of different sizes. Slither down the snake. Now if you don't want to say slither down the snake anymore, you can always just say s as you write your sound. Well done, everyone. Thank you for joining me today for our phonics lesson. I look forward to seeing you at our next one.